Hey everyone, friends, Valor here. Today I'll show you how to connect to Epic Games online services. Right? Usually this issue happens if you have a VPN enabled or you're using a proxy. But if that's not the case, you can try simply running Epic Games Launcher as administrator. Right? Like this. So this might help, but if it doesn't, or the problem is with a specific game, then try selecting that game. Right? For example, enter Gungeon, click the three dots, manage, and click the verify files button. After verification, it'll download the files needed to connect to services. So, if it's related to a specific game, that is. If not, you'll need to completely reinstall Epic Games, not just uninstall, but fully clean it. For this, go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, and type Epic here. Right? Like this. And here we have, as you can see, Epic Games Online Services. And besides that, there's the launcher there. You need to remove these two items, yeah, and just go to your browser and reinstall it. Right? So go to Epic Games, click install, download the file, yeah, and then reinstall the launcher. Also, this problem can happen if you have an old version of Windows. To update it, you need to go to Start, click Settings, click Windows Update, and then check Windows for updates. After checking, it'll prompt you to update. Here, like mine, you see Preview Update is available there. You can click Download and Install there. This will also most likely help you there. And obviously, try restarting your computer. Yeah, restart the router. Everything network related, double check it. Maybe that's what's letting you down somewhere. That's all. This was Valor. Like, subscribe to the channel. Bye, everyone.